Hey good people, welcome back to Ballards by Design. Today I am making an easy fall dessert. Okay, this is another episode of our baking series for the fall, y'all. Now I am doing a butter pecan praline poke cake. It is simple. You may have already seen this recipe on the internet, I don't know. But what you need is, we're using a boxed cake mix. I am using the butter pecan cake mix. I also have coconut pecan frosting, 1 cup of milk, 4 eggs. I melted margarine. The recipe calls for vegetable oil, 3/4 of a cup. To me, this gives it a little bit more of a buttery flavor, so that's why I did that. And then I have a 1/2 cup of honey roasted pecans. These are chopped. And I have a 9 by 13 inch baking pan, which I love. Isn't she so cute? Isn't it cute? Okay. And actually, I'll leave a link in the description from where I purchased this from Amazon. I just love these, okay? And it's a 3-piece set. And then I have my baker's joy, of course, to spray the pan. That's it, y'all. It's time to get started. Y'all ready? Let's do it. So, let me go ahead and open up my cake mix. How y'all doing? I didn't even ask. Y'all doing all right? I hope so. This is the day that the Most High has made. We should rejoice and be glad in it. In spite of everything that's going on, we still here, alive and breathing. We might as well rejoice, right? Hold on, let me get my scissors and cut this open. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and empty this whole thing into my mixing bowl. Alright. And when I say this is so super easy, this is beginner friendly. I've made this probably 3 or 4 times, and it is so good. Every time it comes out perfect. My eggs, I'm not cracking them on the side. Y'all know how I do it. Just like that. And I know I said I've never had a bad store-bought egg, and I haven't. That's why I don't crack them on the side. Now, if I'm doing a pound cake or something, I probably will crack them on the side. But with this, I don't even bother, y'all. I just don't. We're going to empty this whole tub of coconut pecan icing in here, or frosting. And this creates a really super moist cake, y'all. It is really so good. It's real good. Okay. And I'm going to get all of it. You know I'm going to get it all. Next, we're going to go ahead and put in. You see how simple this is? I'm just dumping everything in the bowl. Alright. And then our cup of milk. Okay, now just get mixing. I need to charge her up. I didn't charge her the last time I used it. And also, y'all, I love this cordless handheld mixer. I'll leave a link for this in the description as well if you're interested in one. Please use that link because you know that helps us out a bit, okay? And so you just get all this mixed together real good, just until it's combined. Y'all, I forgot to preheat my oven. I forgot. Okay, that looks good. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and turn my oven on because I forgot. Okay, so now my oven is preheating. 350 degrees, okay? Now that this is mixed in together really well, I'm gonna go ahead and fold in my pecans. You see how easy that was? Easy peasy, y'all. And y'all don't be like me and forget to preheat your oven, okay? Alright. I have that stirred in. Y'all, can y'all see? I know I don't have a clear mixing bowl, but that's that. Now I'm going to go ahead and spray my pan with my Baker's Joy. Okay, that's good. We're just gonna go ahead and pour in our batter. And y'all know I like to get it off, so I'm finna scrape this bowl right on down. Get all my batter out of there. And while our cake is in the oven, we are going to prepare the frosting that goes on top. Okay? Got it all. And I always go over the top with my spatula. I just like to make sure that all of my batter is evenly distributed in the pan, okay? My hands are clean. They clean, okay? Okay, so as soon as my oven reaches temp, I'm gonna go ahead and get my cake put in. This will bake 30 to 40 minutes depending on your stove. Check it at the 30-minute mark, okay, you guys? And we'll be right back to make the frosting that goes on top. Okay, y'all, it's time to make the sauce. I am doubling the recipe, so it calls for a 1/4 cup of melted butter. I'm going to use a 1/2 cup. And then it calls for 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. I am going to use 2 cans because I want extra sauce for the cake, all right? Now you can double it or you can follow the original recipe. Okay, we'll let our butter melt down just a tad. And it calls for 1/2 cup of chopped pecans as well. And I am going to use a full cup. Again, because I am doubling the recipe. So what I'll do, and I'll show you, I'm going to poke holes in the cake first. And then pour some of the sauce on top. And then I will add the pecans to the remainder of the sauce and then pour that on top. Okay? All right, that's just about melted. I'm going to go ahead and add in our sweetened condensed milk. And we're just going to cook this until it is all heated through and the butter and sweetened condensed milk are combined. This sweet milk sure is thick. It's always thick, but it seems thicker than normal. And I have my heat on a medium low. I'm going to turn it up just a bit to a medium heat. And you just stir it up really good. Let everything get well combined. Okay, I didn't want to sneak nothing in on y'all. So just to let you know, the recipe doesn't call for it. But I am going to add about a teaspoon of vanilla. And it's just starting to simmer, so I am going to get ready to remove it from the heat. And I'll keep stirring as I take it off the heat, okay, you guys? Okay, y'all, so some of my sauce, because I didn't stir consistently like I was supposed to, it got a little bit caramelized at the bottom. But I did taste it, and it does not taste burnt. So we're going to go with it. It's just another level of flavor. Boom. So y'all taste it. Don't throw it away if you get a little caramelization, some little brown bits. It's okay. Now this is our beautiful cake. It is hot out of the oven, but it has cooled slightly. I don't want it to cool all the way, so I'm going to go ahead and poke holes in it so that we can add half of our sauce, okay? Okay, I have a wooden spoon here, and I'm just going to go in with the bottom and poke holes all through the cake. Okay, it might still be a little too hot, but to me this is a sample piece. I can taste it. And it is good. Alright, remember we're only doing half of this sauce. It's soaked really well into the cake. Now it smells so good. Roasted pecans to the rest of the blend. We'll use them all. That should be about good. I'm just going to let them get good and coated. And then we're going to pour the rest of it on top of our cake. your butter pecan praline poke cake. Y'all, get a load of this. Feast your eyes. Look, y'all. Ooh. Doesn't it look just delicious? I know you want some. Look. It is tasting time.
Brought my drink with me.
All right.
What's up, family?
You want to show 'em?
Let me show you before we cut it.
Okay. All right. Little piece.
Yeah, give me a little piece.
Sample.
Just a sample.
What your mama used to say? Just give me a sliver.
A sliver
A
of it.
sliver.
All right, let's see.
Is that big enough?
Smell-o-vision is on point, family.
Is that big enough?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, let me see your fork.
Did y'all hear that?
Come on.
I'm sorry, right, that.
Okay.
Man, did y'all hear that? Like a frisbee. Look at that. Oh, inside. Okay. Let's see. What kind of cake is this?
Butter pecan praline poke cake.
All right. Smooth. It goes with coffee too, y'all.
Not with coffee.
You can
You
get
gonna mess the taste up.
You get a slice of this with your coffee. Let's see.
Do you have creamer in there?
Just a little bit.
Okay.
It's excellent, family. You gotta try it. Back to work I go. I bid you adieu. Peace.
I was just gonna take a bite. It's good. Well, y'all, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one, okay? Love y'all big. Bye.